AI web apps are becoming a new online business. People are paying to generate professional portraits, new hairstyles, and better photos. But most people think building one requires developers, months of work, and thousands of dollars. So today, I'm going to build my own AI hairstyle website in just 10 minutes. No coding, no custom app development, just WordPress and SeaAI. Normally, creating an AI website is complicated. You need a front end. You need accounts. You need a payment system. You need the IIT ranking. You need image storage. And then you still need to connect everything together. That can take weeks or even months if you're building from scratch. But what if launching an AI image business was as simple as creating a WordPress website? This is SeaAI. It's an AI image business builder powered by WordPress. Instead of starting with a blank project, SeaAI gives you the platform pieces already prepared: AI templates, accounts, payments, credits, and AI generation workflows. So the first step is simple. I install SeaAI inside WordPress. Go to the WordPress admin panel. I upload the theme zip file, install it, activate it. Then we activate the built-in build plugin with just a few clicks. Next, we need to import the demo content. Wait about 1 minute, and it will prompt that the import is complete. Open the homepage and take a look. This way, the website has been initially set up. The template already includes the main flow, a place to upload a photo, hairstyle options, and a before and after result page. It also includes icon boxes, feature entries, user reviews, and other elements, so it looks like a finished, polished website. That means I don't need to design this flow from zero, and I don't need to write the logic behind it from scratch. Now I customize the website. I can change the logo, update the colors, edit the homepage text, adjust the pricing, and make the site feel like its own product. At this point, it's already starting to look like a real AI tool, not a prototype, not a blank WordPress page. A real website where a user can land, understand the offer, and try the generators. No coding, no design work from scratch. Now comes the part that usually makes AI websites difficult: connecting the AI model. In a custom build, this is where you would need a PI calls, backend logic, file handling, and a lot of testing. But SeaAI is built around AI image workflows. So instead of building that whole system myself, I connect the Comfy UI API from Running Hub inside the settings. All you need to do is copy the key and paste it into your WordPress admin panel. So let's test it. I upload a portrait photo. Then I choose a hairstyle. Then I click Generate. And after a few seconds, the result comes back. Now the website can transform hairstyles using AI. This is the key moment. It is not just a landing page. It is not just a design mockup. It is a working AI image generator running inside a WordPress website. But this is not just an AI demo. It's also a business website. Users can create accounts, buy credits, subscribe to plans, and generate AI images anytime. The AI workflow and monetization system are fully connected. A user visits your website, uploads a photo, spends credits, gets an AI result, and comes back again. That's the difference between an AI demo and a real AI image business. And hairstyle is just one example. With SeaAI, you can also launch AI headshots, makeup apps, product photography tools, photo enhancers, or many other AI image websites. The formula is simple. Pick a template, connect AI, set up credits, launch. In just a minute, we created a complete AI website with image generation, user accounts, payments, and credits, all powered by WordPress. No development team required. Try SeaAI, pick a template. Connect AI, launch your website.